Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech AI. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey through the world of Facebook, covering everything from basic account management to advanced strategies. Let's dive in. New to Facebook? No worries. We'll guide you through the process of creating a Facebook account step by step. Open your web browser and navigate to facebook.com. On the Facebook homepage, you'll see a sign-up form. Fill in your information, including your first name, last name, mobile number or email address, password, date of birth, and gender. Once you've entered all your information, click the Sign Up button. Once your profile is complete, Facebook will suggest friends for you to connect with based on your email contacts or phony contacts. We're diving into a question that many of you have been asking: how to delete your Facebook account on your PC. First, open up your favorite web browser and go to facebook.com. Once you're logged in to your Facebook account, click on the down arrow in the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of options. Click on your Facebook information. Now, click on Deactivation and Deletion. Facebook will ask you to confirm your decision. Read through the information carefully and then click on Delete Account. You'll need to enter your password and complete a security check to confirm your identity. Facebook will then inform you that your account has been scheduled for deletion. Do not log into your account for the next 30 days, as doing so will cancel the deletion request. If you need to update your Facebook name, then follow along as we guide you through the simple steps to change your name on Facebook. Go to facebook.com and log into your account. Once logged in, click on the downward arrow located at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. In the Settings menu, you'll see your current name displayed with options to edit it. Click on the Edit button next to your name. Enter your new first and last name in the provided fields. After entering your new name, review it to make sure it's correct. Once you're satisfied, click on the Review Change button. Facebook may prompt you to confirm your name change by entering your password. Enter your password and then click on Save Changes. You can check the status of your name change by going back to the Name section in your Facebook settings. If your name change is pending, it will show up there until it's approved. Keep your Facebook account secure by regularly updating your password. Discover how to change your Facebook password hassle-free. Go to facebook.com and log into your account. Once logged in, click on the downward arrow located at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Security and Login tab located on the left sidebar. This will take you to the security settings for your account. Under the Login section, you'll see an option labeled Change Password. Click on the Edit button next to it. Facebook will ask you to confirm your current password for security purposes. Enter your current password in the provided field. Then, enter your new password in the next two fields. Make sure your new password is strong and not easily guessable. You can use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. After entering your current and new passwords, click on the Save Changes button to update your password. That's it. Your Facebook password is now changed. Creating a Facebook page is quick and easy. First, log into your Facebook account and head to the home page. Once you're logged in, click on the Create button in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Page. Next, choose the type of page you want to create. You can select from options like business or brand or community or public figure. After selecting the type of page, enter the required information, such as the name of your page and category. Once you've filled out the necessary details, click on the Create Page button. Congratulations! You've successfully created your Facebook page, but we're not done yet. Now it's time to add some important information to your page, like a profile picture and cover photo. These visuals will help make your page stand out and attract more visitors. You'll also want to fill out the About section with a brief description of your page and any relevant information. And there you have it. You've successfully created your very own Facebook page. Now it's time to start sharing your content, engaging with your audience, and growing your online presence. Now we're tackling a topic that many of you have asked about: how to delete a Facebook page. Whether you're cleaning up your digital presence or simply moving on from a project, knowing how to remove a Facebook page is essential. Let's dive in. Deleting a Facebook page is a straightforward process. First, log into your Facebook account and navigate to the page you want to delete. Once you're on the page, click on the Settings option located in the top right corner. From the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Access and Control option. Click on it. Facebook will ask you to confirm the deletion. Read through the information carefully to understand the consequences of deleting your page. If you're sure you want to proceed, click on the Delete Page button. Facebook will then ask you to enter your password to confirm the deletion. After entering your password, click on Continue to finalize the deletion process. And just like that, your Facebook page is deleted. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the process of securing your personal information and controlling who can view your posts and photos on the platform. Open the Facebook app or website and log into your account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or name. Click on the More button to access additional options. Scroll down and select Lock Profile from the drop-down menu. Review the information provided about locked profiles and click on Lock Your Profile to confirm. Once your profile is locked, only your friends will be able to see your full profile and posts. Non-friends will only see basic information such as your profile picture and cover photo. Now, in any case, if you want to unlock your Facebook profile, no worries, because we'll guide you through the process of unlocking your Facebook profile. Open the Facebook app or website and log into your account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or name. Look for the More button, represented by 3 horizontal dots located near the bottom right corner of your cover photo or profile picture. Scroll through the options and look for Unlock Profile. Click on Unlock Profile to confirm that you want to make your profile visible to everyone again. Facebook may ask you to confirm your decision to unlock your profile. Once your profile is unlocked, your posts, photos, and other information will be visible to the public again. In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of hiding your friend list to keep your connections private. Open the Facebook app or website and log into your account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or name. On your profile page, find the Friends section. This section displays a preview of your friend list. Click on the More button next to it. Click on the Edit Privacy option that appears. A privacy dialog box will appear, providing options for who can see your friend list. Select Only Me or Only Friends to limit visibility to yourself or your friends. Click Save once you've made your selection. That's a wrap for today's video, folks. We covered a wide array of Facebook topics, from account management to troubleshooting common issues. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.